Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix World War III crash error on Windows PC. Make sure that your internet is stable and strong, because when the internet is intermittent this error will also appear. Method 1. Close unnecessary background apps. The fact that several programs are using too many resources in the background of your PC when you are playing World War III may be the source of the crashing problem. If you want more additional capacity, like RAM and CPUs, shut down any other programs you aren't using while playing the game. Since World War III is a CPU and graphics-intensive game, extra resources are required. Method 2. Turn off in-game overlays. The overlays can be helpful when playing a game, as they allow you to access the app without minimizing your game. However, because to give you an overlay of the app in a game, the application has to interfere with the game process. Some games end up crashing because of this interference. Therefore, turning off the in-game overlays will fix the issue in such a scenario. To turn off in-game overlays on GeForce Experience, go to Settings, then you will see In-Game Overlay, just disable it. On AMD Radeon software, go to Settings. After that, go to Preferences. Look for the General section of Preferences. There, disable the switch named In-Game Overlay, by clicking or tapping on it. On Discord, go to Settings. Scroll down and you will see Game Overlay. Click on it then disable it. On Steam, go to Settings. Select In-Game. Uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Method 3. Stay up to date. Outdated graphics drivers often cause crashing issues, especially on the newer games you install on your computer. Graphics drivers are vital because they are used to interact with the graphics card on your motherboard. Manufacturers often release a new driver update for the new big games to support it better and avoid any issues. If you have not updated your graphics drivers in a while, updating them now would be a good choice. In addition, Windows updates are released regularly to provide users with bug fixes and new features. So you should also make sure they are installed in your system to get all the performance improvements. Method 4. Disable firewall and antivirus. Windows Firewall and antivirus software are designed to protect your computer from harmful programs. However, they can also block legitimate programs from running correctly. To ensure that your game has access to your network and it's not blocked, you should temporarily disable firewall and antivirus software. Method 5. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam then navigate to Library. Right-click on World War III then select Properties. Select Local Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once done, try relaunching World War III and see if problem is fixed. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall graphics driver. I recommend you can use a third-party utility called Display Driver Uninstaller, DDU, to uninstall your graphics drivers. DDU allows you to uninstall your graphics card drivers for NVIDIA and AMD. Unlike generic uninstallation, DDU is thorough in its approach and does not leave any files or registry keys behind. First, click on link in description to head to the official website for DDU and download the latest version available. Run the downloaded file and extract the files to your desired location. After that, navigate to the directory and open the display driver uninstaller.exe file. When the tool opens, you will be shown a General Options window. You can choose to enable additional options. However, it is not necessary. Choose GPU from the Select Device Type drop-down menu on the DDU window. After that, choose your graphics card manufacturer from the drop-down menu underneath. Finally, click the Clean and Restart button to uninstall your graphics drivers. Once your PC boots, head to your manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers available. Install the drivers and see if the problem still occurs. Method 7. Turn off XMP and overclocking CPU, GPU. Overclocking your RAM, CPU, GPU can be helpful to get the most out of them. However, in some scenarios, your RAM, CPU, GPU may be unstable, which can cause your system or the games you are playing to crash. In the end, uninstalling and reinstalling World War III would be the last method that I can recommend to you. That's it guys, hope these help you. If there is any other method please leave a comment below the video. Thanks.